Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to edit your LinkedIn profile and make it stand out. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you, I'm going to cover the most important things, or features or option that you need to fill. So I'm not going to talk about the my experience and all, so I just talking about what you need to do with your LinkedIn profile, so that it can be stand out and it will be looking great, and it will be reachable by HR and all your prospectors. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. So let's go on my LinkedIn. So here I'm on my LinkedIn profile, guys, and let me open it. It is my demo account, so it is only for my video making, for my YouTube video. So it is not my real account, so you can see that is not completed, but I will show you how you can complete it. So let me go on my uh, LinkedIn account inside. Okay, so first important part is your your profile photo is a very important, because whenever if someone visit your profile, so it first is look your profile photo. If profile photo is not professional, so maybe he's not very much interested in your profile. So your profile photo is very should be very professional. Don't upload your TikTok or Instagram profile. Okay, so here you have to upload your professional photo should be a close up and little bit smile on your face. So, and also you have to upload the cover photo professional. If you are entrepreneur, or if you have business, and you can upload your related industries or business cover photo here, or your company photo here, cover photo. So this is a showcase for your uh, company logo and profile. So just complete to both first, and it should be very look like professional. Okay, so now I'm going to cover the main points. So you have to complete your LinkedIn profile. So how you can complete, you have to add everything. So in my knowledge, in LinkedIn there is a 50% profile that is not complete 100%, they are only complete 50% only. So you have to complete your profile. So how you can complete, go to the add section, and here you can see the all uh, uh, the information you need to, which you need to fill up. Okay, so just fill up the all information, your voluntary experience, publication, your projects, awards and honors. Here you have to add skill and all, and you can also go in settings and privacy, and here you can upload, you can check your all settings. So just go to personal information, you have to check the location, industry and all, your language. Okay, and the main part is, guys, go to the visibility, and here in visibility, under visibility, visibility on your LinkedIn profile, and here you have to change it. Okay, notify connection menu, the new in the news. So whenever you get the new promotion or whatever, whenever you update anything in your LinkedIn profile, that your connection should be no, so you have to off on this. Okay, just on this. Okay, and here also you have to on this. And now just come to the LinkedIn, and as I told you, you have to complete all details in LinkedIn, your about, your job heading, your experience and all. So this is uh, okay, so let me go in profile again. So the another important thing, you have to complete that first. As I told you, you have to complete, you have to take care of your photos and core photos. And now also there is a edit, you have to edit your custom URL, because uh, the by default URL is not good, it's just not good. So you have to change from here. Just go to the pencil, and here you have to write your name or your company name, so it will be look like professional. Okay, just change from here, and use the hashtag in your profile. Okay, and talk about it, is very important. I think 60 to 70% don't know how to use talk about and hashtag. So when you use the hashtag in your profile, so it is increase the chances to visible and get the searches in prospect Okay, so in more section, okay, in add section you have to add everything as I told you, but this is very important. How you can add, talk about, go to the resource, and in the creative mode, just go to the creative mode and you have to on this. Okay, if it is off, then it will be asked you to on, and then you have to write, you have to enter your up to 15 topics, which is called hashtag, and you have to write the hashtag related to your jobs, regarding your skill and business, whatever you want. You can enter the up to 50 hashtag here and just done. So it is very important when you, for your profile visibility. And another thing that I will, okay, so showcase the featured profile or post, it is very important, you have to add here. Okay, how you can add, go to the your profile photo and go to the post and activities, and here you can see your all activities, your article, post and document. So just go to the all activities, and if there any post that you want to show the as a future, or want to show to your viewers, so just click on the post and make as a feature on top profile. So you can make it 3 to post to show on your profile, and it will be very great impression to your viewers. Okay, so this is the things you need to take care. And the another things I want to show you, let me go in profile. Okay, and when you come to the profile, just go to the skill. A skill is also very important, you have to add the skill here. Okay, just click on plus icon and you can add your skill. So you have to add the skill related to your experience and your job profile, whatever. Okay, the skill and hashtags talk about, and your description is a very important to come to in search. And after you come in search, and people of someone open your profile, that it is very important, your profile photo, your cover photo, your all presentation on your LinkedIn is a very important. Okay, so guys, that is how you can edit your profile. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.